It is amazing to see how fast the foldable phone industry is truly moving and bumping throughout all the years. I mean, go back to 2020 with the Surface Duo when that came out, and it was literally just the Surface Duo and Samsung. And now you have so many other companies, not only just China companies, but companies in general who are like really actually taking a step forward and becoming real competitors in this market. So right here we have the global foldable phone market share breakdown from 2023 to 2024. And in 2023, you can see it was 66.4% Samsung, 11.9% Huawei, 5.3% Xiaomi, and it was 16.4% others. Others include all the Chinese, companies that create foldable cell phones, etc., right? And obviously with 2023, that also includes Google Pixel Fold, the OnePlus Open, etc. Compared to 2024, which so far we have 60.4%, so a 6% reduction so far. And again, we're only in the first quarter of 2024, keep that in mind. The first quarter of 2024, 6% less market share for Samsung. And then for Huawei, for example, they're 8% up. Xiaomi is actually 0.1% up. And then other is actually 2% down. And which actually does kind of interest me, but it just shows how much Huawei is really taking over and becoming a name in this industry. And again, I'm expecting by quarter 4 of this year, this chart to look completely different. I'm expecting them to add, Google in here. If Google can take a huge step forward this year with their next generation of the Pixel Fold 2, maybe they release a flippable version. They could also get in here as well. And other companies, again, it seems like are always coming out of nowhere to go ahead and add their hat into the ring. We've seen recently with the ZTE Librero, I think it's exactly how you say the name. The phone from Japan. That phone is a flippable phone from a company from Japan. It's $250 on sale. Market MSRP is around $400. Which, again, with how cheap these foldable, flippable phones are coming out with, it's getting to a point where this market is just flip-flopping left and right when it comes to who's going to be the owner of this market. And we're seeing Samsung slowly, again, not completely yet, but slowly over the next couple years, start to lose most of the market share. And it's just going to create better products, better innovation, just overall a better market for the consumer, which obviously is what we want in the end, right? We want the best products for the consumer here. We don't want the most money for one company. When companies get all the money, they become complacent. They don't want to upgrade anything, and problems start happening. Nonetheless, though, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and which company do you believe will be the king of 2024 that isn't Samsung? Because obviously Samsung's still going to remain the top of the top, but how about except for Samsung? I'll see you guys in the next one.